In 2011, Nina Foundation introduced another award, the Will Star Award, for the one who in the journey of life has shown courage, grit and determination to overcome all obstacles and rise high, in spite of challenges faced by him or her. And he or she has the spirit that Nina Foundation stands for, that indomitable spirit of life, and that to walk together for a wonderful tomorrow. With head held high, a life that is truly filled with renewed hope, positivity and achievement. This year's winner of the Will Star Award is Ketan Mehta from Vasai, Maharashtra. He has inspired many of us in his journey. And can you step up, Ketanji? He was born in 1967, and Ketan Jayant Mehta from a very humble family with two wonderful sisters. Both are now married. Like most budding youngsters, Ketan had beautiful dreams, and it was only when he suffered an injury at 17 due to a fall of his terrace that his three-storied building, whilst fixing the TV antenna, that his nightmare began at a tender age of 20. His family physician advised his parents to rush him to Mumbai when he was taken to Hinduja Hospital and refused admission. His family then took him to KEM, and with Dr. Lopa Mehta's help, he was admitted for treatment. Dr. M.N. Shahane, orthopedic surgeon, performed the surgery on him. After the hospital discharged him, he was admitted to Sharan Paraplegic Home in 1994. Our trustee, Dr. Dhruv Mehta, has been with him for physiotherapy several years and has now made him more not only physically but emotionally, financially and socially independent. The onus of running his home never worried him, as Ketan is a man of grit and challenge. You can see that here. And for more than a decade, he did business on a manual tricycle, which did not give him leverage to expand the area of his business and function. For then it was just Vasai. Today, after 9 years with his modified vehicle, his area of work ranges from Vasai to Virar. He moves in his vehicle with confidence by spearheading his family business of selling laundry-related things, clothes, sheets, tags, threads, other gift items, managing family needs. In fact, he currently looks after and runs his home too as the sole breadwinner. Ketan, we at Nina Foundation are proud of you and your family. You are the twinkling stars, yeah? And Dr. Manu Kothari and Dr. Lopa Mehta, the orthotist, Shringari Avinash Desai and physiotherapist Delisa Bar, these are all people who have been of great help. And he dreams big. We pray that with divine blessings he will achieve his dreams and touch the stars. Can we see the film that we have made here on Ketan, please? Big round of applause, big round of applause. And now may I request Dr. Fernandez to come up, please, and Mr. Shivaji Satham, please come up. And you know, there is this lovely trophy here, and there is a citation as well. So a check and a citation, the trophy. A big round of applause. The check and the citation, Mr. Shivaji Satham, good citation.